Hi friends, good morning everyone. Now we are going to know about a young seagull who is afraid to fly, take his first flight by conquering his fear with great courage and discovered his own potentials in him, how he became self-doubted to self-confident. Let us begin. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and sister had already flown away. He had been afraid to fly with them. After that, he tried to fly. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So, he ran back to the little hole. He failed to muster up his courage to take that plunge. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody came near him. Overwhelming hunger finally pushes him to attempt flight in a dramatic and transformative way. The sun was now ascending the sea. He felt the heat because of his hunger. He stepped slowly to the brink of the ledge and pretended to be falling asleep. He saw his brothers, sister, father, and mother on the plateau. The sight of the food in his mother's beak maddened him. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was across to him with it. With joy, he leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock, with his feet trying to get nearer to her. Then she stopped flying. Desperate and unable to resist the sight and smell of food any longer, the seagull utters a joyful scream and dives straight at the fish, forgetting the fear in that moment of instinct. As he plunges forward from the ledge, he initially falls outward and downwards into the vast expanse of green sea. A monstrous terror seizes him. His heart freezes. He screams in panic. Exhausted from hunger, he attempts to land on the green sea. His legs sink into the water at first and he panics again, certain that he is about to drown in the endless ocean. His body tumbles helplessly through the air. Instinctively, his wings spread outwards, cutting through the air like a natural extension of himself. He began to flap them. The terror evaporates as he realizes he is no longer falling but soaring. His fear transforms into exhilaration. He screams with joy. For the first time, he experiences the freedom and power of flight, skimming over the waves and diving playfully. Exhausted from hunger, he attempts to land on the green sea. His legs sink into the water at first and he panics again. But soon he discovers he can float effortlessly on the surface. His family circles around him, shrieking praise and offering scraps of fish, celebrating his great achievement. The lesson symbolizes the universal theme of overcoming fear through necessity and courage. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.